tatlong favorite na camera ko, ito yung pinakamaliit. My vlogs are my memories. So, when you edit the video, you can choose kasi meron na siyang flip screen. So, when you flip like that, kasi kahit itapon-tapon mo siya, hindi siya nasisira. 2 years ago ko pa siyang nabili. But hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. So, for today's video, we are gonna be talking about my top 3 favorite cameras. So, as you all know, alam nyo naman na obsessed ng camera. That's because I like quality sa mga videos ko. When I first started vlogging, may camera na ako agad. Mahilig akong kumuha ng mga pictures. So, meron akong DSLR. Ginagamit ko lang yun kasi mahilig talaga akong mag-take ng pictures. But then, I started traveling and I've decided to vlog my travels, so I used that camera. Then, I went to Dubai and I got my Canon G7X kasi masyadong malaki yung DSLR for me and masyadong obvious na nagvo-vlog ako dito sa Dubai. Cut the story short, hindi pa naman tayo masyadong vlogger or YouTuber, but napaka-OC ko kasi when it comes to editing my vlogs. Kasi, for me, my vlogs are my memories. So, yun yung mga binabalik-balikan ko every now and then when I want to watch my travel in the US, when I want to watch what I did here in Dubai and all that stuff, no? So now, naging obsessed ako sa camera and when I started getting money from YouTube, nung na-monetize ako, yun, I promised myself to invest sa mga cameras na I can use sa mga vlogs ko. So now, I have top 3 favorite cameras. The first one is this one. Ito yung latest. May Ito yung latest camera ko. Nakakabili ko lang and this is the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. So lahat ng nakikita nyo na footages or itong buong vlog na to is from the DJI Pocket. And makikita nyo, dyan sa shadow, ayan yung gamit ko. Ayan yung Osmo Pocket 3 ngayon. I got this kasi pwede na siyang portrait and landscape, which is very good for me because I like making reels also. And kahit na naka-iPhone 14 ako, parang ayoko pa rin yung quality niya. Mas gusto ko pa rin. Iba pa rin talaga pag quality ng camera yung gamit. So, ayun nga. And also, it's easy kasi meron na siyang flip screen. So, when you flip like that, nag-re-record na siya agad. And oh my God, the low light quality and yung stability or yung stabilize yung videos mo, yun. And plus, may mic siya nakasama because I got the creator combo. Ayan. For now, ito yung ginagamit ko as main camera. Dinadala ko kung saan man ako magpunta. The second favorite is the Insta360 X3. The Insta360 X3, yun yung 360 camera na ipindutin mo lang yung record and finifilm niya yung araw nandun na siya. Finifilm niya yung buong video around the camera. So when you edit the video, you can choose which footage you want to put in your video or in your vlog. This is nice when you are traveling kasi like me, when I went to Thailand, sobrang hirap kumuha ng videos, lalo na kung madalian. So, eto, ilalabas ko lang, isang click, and then makakapili ako ng mga footages na gusto isama. At the same time, if you are traveling, this is good kasi waterproof din siya. So, not waterproof, water resistant, up to 30 meters ata. Iyon. So, you can use that one. So, ayan, ito siya, X3. This one has the bigger screen kasi yung X2, yun yung maliit lang na bilog dito. So, ito yung latest ng 360 camera ng Insta360. The third favorite camera that I really love is the GoPro Hero 11. So, hindi pa ako nag-upgrade. GoPro Hero 11, 2 years ago ko pa siyang nabili. But this is like one of the best cameras kasi kahit itapon-tapon mo siya, hindi siya nasisira. Plus, it's waterproof also. So, when I went to Thailand, ito yung ginamit namin para dun sa mga underwater. So, binilhan namin siya ng case and yun yung ginamit namin for the underwater. Plus, sa lahat ng tatlong favorite na camera ko, ito yung pinakamaliit. So, I put magnet sa mount niya. So, if ever gusto kong kumuha ng mga angle shots, ito yung dinidikit-dikit ko kung saan-saan and wala masyadong nakakapansin. Plus, maganda din yung quality niya. Pero, just take note na hindi siya maganda sa low light. Maganda lang yung quality niya when it comes to outdoor shooting. GoPro Hero 11, and ito yung sinasabi ko na nilagyan ko siya ng magnetic mount. So, anywhere, pwede ko siyang idikit. Basta metal. So, maganda din to kasi nalagyan ko siya ng silicone. So, lahat ng to may protection. Dito meron siyang screen. Lens protector. Ito, meron din siyang protector dito and dito. And then, silicone siya ko. So, kahit malaglag to or mahagis-hagis ko, which is hindi ko pa naman ginawa, pero safe na safe siya. Kaya, gustong-gusto ko din talaga siya. Ayun lang guys, very quick vlog kasi wala na tayong dito, araw. So, thank you guys for watching this video and I hope you guys liked it. If you do, don't forget to like this video, share, and please subscribe to my channel. See you again next time. Bye!